Okay, so here's the machine in action. We're going to turn it on. It'll take a minute to heat up and then we'll make an espresso shot. Beans go up here. Then you got your grind control right there. And you can also use ground beans in this chute. Okay, so the machine is going to rinse first when it starts up. Water's coming from the water tank right there on that side. Okay, and then we can select from some of the drinks right here. Okay, so there's the espresso with a nice layer of crema on top. And then the machine can also make cappuccinos with the milk attachment right there. It can be hooked up with a nozzle right there, so it can also do milk steaming with a cappuccino button right there. So you got a number of options with that.